Hey there, this is Anna, the product manager at MT Pro, and I've got a quick question for you. Have you considered selling on TikTok Shop yet? Let me just give you 3 compelling reasons to start. The US has 334 million people, and 150 million of them are on TikTok, which makes it 1 in 3 people. About 37% of these TikTok users regularly make online purchases. That's a huge potential customer base. And then here is the best part. TikTok users are highly engaged. As a seller, you know how challenging it can be to capture and hold customers' attention. But TikTok is currently leading the way in keeping users hooked. This market is booming, and TikTok is only getting bigger. More sales might mean more work, but with MTE, we've got your back. Start selling on TikTok Shop and we'll ensure your sales management is a breeze. Our seamless integrations support platforms like Magento, Shopify, Ecwid, BigCommerce, and more. So why not give it a try? We're here to help you grow your business.